Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we are taking a look at Shameless snacks. So this is What's Up Watermelon Gummy Candy. 3 grams of sugar, 70 calories per bag. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bags. Keep in mind, only 3 grams of sugar and 70 calories per bag. So here you can see you get quite a few per bag, and they look delicious. Now, let's do the taste test. They're chewy. Really good flavor. Very good. I like these a lot. They are very tasty.